In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11. No audio output device installed. If your speaker icon shows a red X and Windows tells you there's no audio device installed, the problem is often just a disabled or outdated driver. We're going to re-enable your audio hardware and let Windows pull the correct driver, all from one place. Keep your PC connected to the internet during this process so Windows can find what it needs. Start by opening Device Manager. Right-click the Start button on your taskbar, the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen, and choose Device Manager from the menu that appears. This opens a window listing all the hardware categories on your system. We'll be working in the audio section. In the Device Manager window, find and click Sound, Video, and Game Controllers to expand it. You should see your audio device listed here. Common names include Realtek, Intel, or a high-definition audio device. Some systems show several entries, such as digital outputs or HDMI audio from a graphics card. Focus on the device you actually use for everyday sound playback. If the device is disabled, it may appear with a small down arrow on its icon. Right-click your audio device and choose Enable Device. Windows will immediately switch it back on, and in many cases, your sound returns right away. Give it a moment and watch the speaker icon to see if the red X disappears. Next, let's make sure the driver is current. Right-click the same audio device again and choose Update Driver. In the Update dialog, select Search automatically for drivers. This tells Windows to look locally and online for the best available driver. Staying online helps Windows Update check your manufacturer's catalog automatically, which is often where the most stable audio packages are hosted. Leave the window open while it checks. This can take a minute or two. If Windows finds a better match, it will install it for you. You may briefly see the device list refresh or your screen flicker as the driver updates. That's normal. When it finishes, you'll get a confirmation that the best driver is already installed or that the update succeeded. After enabling the device and letting Windows search for drivers, check your taskbar audio icon again and try playing a quick sound or a short video. If the message is gone and you can adjust the volume, you're all set. These two actions, enabling the device and updating the driver, resolve the vast majority of no audio output device installed errors on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your sound back quickly.